Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony and, wait a minute. Boom! That's better. We're back in the camper. So let's do this the right way. Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony and today we're making a delicious quick chick. What's quick chick, you ask? Well, think of it as a creamy chicken casserole, but instead of breadcrumbs, we're gonna crush up some Ritz cracker, pour it over the top, put some drizzled butter on it, and then we're gonna bake it. Man, it's so good, I can't wait to show it to you. So are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. Now I apologize for the noise you're hearing, that's the air conditioner. Look, we're at Lake Magic Camp Resort down in Orlando, and it's hot. It's like almost 90 degrees outside. Usually I turn off the air conditioner so you can hear me better, but that's not happening. So I apologize for the sound. Sound is gonna be bad, food's gonna be good. So let's start this off. We need to go ahead and pressure cook the chicken so we can shred it. Put in 1 cup of water, drop in your chicken, put on your pressure lid, set it to seal, and pressure cook for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna do a 5-minute natural release. So while your chicken's pressure cooking, let's go ahead and mix that 1 can of cream of chicken and the 1 cup of sour cream. Give it a good mix. I've had a couple of you ask me what kind of utensils these are. They're called spurtles. They're perfect for the Ninja Foodi. They don't scratch anything up. See, they got a little curve to them. I'll leave a link down below in the description box for Amazon where you can get your own. And after you get that all mixed up, get you another bowl. Now we're gonna crush up the Ritz crackers. Go ahead and do them in the package so it doesn't make a big mess. It's kind of satisfying, you know, like if your kids or your husband are really ticking you off, just go over here and just kind of crush up these Ritz crackers and it's good stress relief. Now don't pulverize them, but you do want to crunch them up pretty good. Right, Michelle?
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
I'll hit him over the head with it. It all works.
True story. She's done it. Now you just open the package and dump it in the bowl. Now when it gets closer to putting this all together, you're going to melt your butter in the microwave, pour it in there with your Ritz crackers, mix it all up. That's going to be on top of everything, so we're going to wait on that for a minute. Now that you have a little time on your hand, go ahead and hit that little red button down below and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. And come on over to Facebook and check out the Ninja Foodi and Instapot universe. That's where we share all of our ideas, tips, tricks, pictures, videos, everything. Come on over and check it out. All right, we pressure cooked the chicken for 10 minutes. We did a 10-minute natural release. I let all the pressure out. Red pins dropped. Let's take out our chicken. Now, let's dump the liquid. Well, you can tell I'm out of practice. I forgot to close the cabinets. Well, before we start shredding that chicken, let's go ahead and melt that butter. All right, let's shred that chicken. Chicken's all shredded up, the butter's all melted. Let's put it all together. Now take your chicken and dump it. If any parts fall out like that, throw it to the dog. There you go, buddy. Spread it out on the bottom. Now get you a teaspoon of kosher salt. Put it on the chicken. Gotta give it a little flavor. Gotta have some salt and pepper. Crack up some pepper and put it on there. Give it a quick mix. Take your sour cream and cream of chicken mixture. Let's pour it over the top. Just kind of spread it over the top. Doesn't have to be perfect because as you're baking it, It'll get in all those little crevices.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Now take that butter. Let's put it over the top of that Ritz cracker. Mix it up. That's why I waited to put the butter on it, so the crackers didn't get all soggy. Now we're going to put that over the top. Spread it over the top. Now we're going to bake it at 325 degrees for about 15 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it. You don't want to burn your Ritz crackers. All right, cleaning crew, I'm ready for you to come in and do the dishes. Oh wait, that's me. Well, after 15 minutes, I checked it. It needed to go a little bit longer, so I cooked it for 5 more minutes. So we did 325 for 20 minutes. Now let's check it out. Oh yeah. Has that little crunch on top we were looking for. And you know it smells good. Now I'm gonna put a little smoked paprika on top just to give it a little extra color and flavor. And there it is. Doesn't that look delicious? Now it was quick and it was easy, but let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah. Buttery, creamy, chickeny. I made up a new word. No, but seriously, yeah, it's fantastic, guys. You get the sour cream of chicken. It's nice and smooth and creamy. The Ritz cracker on top makes it nice and crunchy and buttery. Chicken's tender. That is a quick, easy, delicious meal. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Good. Let's eat.
All right.
So now dump your chicken into the bottom of the Instapot. It's not an Instapot, it's a Foodi. Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today we're making a delicious chick quick. Did I say that right?
Quick chick.
Oh, it's a quick chick?
Yeah, you said chick quick. That was kind of funny.
Quick chick?
Quick chick.
Okay. Why are you looking at me?